Hi everybody, this is Matthew Cowie with Prince & Associates Realtors, and this beautiful home behind me is 1016 Calle Del Sol here in Brawey. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,400 square feet, highly upgraded, laminate flooring, granite countertops, custom cabinets. The backyard is stunning with brand new grass, a covered patio. You don't want to miss it. I invite you to come to my open house this Thursday from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock to tour the home for yourself. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to call me at 760-604-3166 or comment on this thread. Have a great day.
Thank you.